Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In previous some video I will show you how to use a radio button control and checkbox control and how to use its basics property and how to customize your radio button and checkbox control. Also we know how to use its radio button and checkbox control signal and slot event. So today in this video I will show you what is the difference between radio button control and checkbox control and what are the use cases. Why is it so different? Okay, so let me put some checkbox control and radio button control for application. So here I add 3 radio button control and 3 checkbox control. So first of all, the basic difference is a indicator. Okay, so you can see the checkbox control indicator is a square and the radio button indicator is a round shape. Mostly this kind of functionality, this kind of radio button control and checkbox control you will see in whenever you fill up any personal details form. There is a one intimation, your gender selection. So here you can select your gender by use of the radio button, either male or female or any other option. Okay, and checkbox control mostly used whenever you have to fill up or give any details like what is our hobby. So we can select multiple hobbies. So here we can select multiple options. So in simple term you can see the checkbox control allow the multiple selection while radio button can't allow the multiple selection, is a single selection. Okay, so let's run this application and wait for the build. So here you can see I can select multiple checkbox. Okay, but when I select a specific radio button, then when I choose another option, so you can see the last one is automatically unchecked or set as a false property. Okay, so here you can't select you can't select multiple option in radio button property, but by use of checkbox control you can select multiple options. So this is the basic and working principle and basic behavior of this both radio button control and checkbox control. So this kind of functionality you can see that there is a common properties is also common mostly. Okay, so you can see the radio button and checkbox control mostly has the same and common property. Okay, font property, size, and you can also set as a checked by default or checkable or not, or also you can change the indicator size by use of the common there is a common style sheet for that, but you have to just change the class name. Okay, so this is how we can use our radio button control and checkbox control and what are the use cases. So basic use cases whenever you fill up any form, personal details form, you can use the checkbox control or get the multiple inputs from the user. In radio button you can't select a multiple option, you just have to keep one option. Okay, so this is the basic use case of radio button control and checkbox control. Whenever you need in simple term we can say whenever you need a multiple input, whenever we want a multiple input from the user, so we will use the checkbox control, and so many options we need only one selection from those options, we will use the radio button control. So this is how we can use checkbox control and radio button. And please drop a comment if you have any questions regarding checkbox control and radio button, and please share this video with your friend and subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the notification of new video. And thanks for watching my video. Thank you.